It's demo day, so I'll be showcasing what I've been up to in the past few months. I've been working a lot on the cost-effective and performance side of things for the StreamPod platform. Now the code base is ARM optimized, so this will allow me to use lower cost instances for the workloads. There's also updates with the tenancy related to node pools, so that each tenant has its own dedicated node. But the main point for this video is the plugins for AI. So I developed a plugin which interacts with large language models and interfaces with the platform in order to understand the videos. So this basically gives eyes to the LLM and allows the LLM to see and understand the process videos. In this instance, it is analyzing both static and, more importantly, GIFs, which gives the LLM a temporal dimension to be able to understand context per title, as well as metadata from the platform. So this metadata is being defined by the API and being feeding it to the LLM to give the LLM context. In this instance, I'm using the Claude family of models, more specifically the Haiku model, in order to keep things cost-effective and performant. So each prompt with the multiple images and the context is taking less than 600 tokens usually, and this can change per the size of the images, but usually stays quite reliably within the bounds of around 600 to 700 tokens. So at the current cost structure of Amazon and Anthropic, I believe I could make about 3,000 prompts and amount to about $2. So this makes analyzing video quite cost-effective and quite performant. I don't know if there's any solution right now out there that does video analysis the way the StreamPod does it. It's not indexing the video. It's analyzing basically a preview of the image. So this is optimized most likely for the upcoming AI generated video. Hopefully we'll be able to understand and allow the LLMs to see things and to understand things provided by contexts. So this is StreamPod AI. I hope that you can find this useful, and if you would like to try it and you're not going to cause any harm, I'll be more than happy to demo the solution. Just reach out to me on LinkedIn or sign up for the mailing lists so that you could know more about the releases of future features and anything else you would like to reach out to me about the platform. One thing also to note is that AI remains in context, so you're going to see it in the demo that usually, you cannot just ask for things randomly that may not be related to the specific request. So this is very useful because, it makes the AI very focused on the task, which is to analyze video. Hopefully in the future, we'll be able to chain these AIs to be able to do other tasks based on what it's seeing from these videos. So let's go with that demo, and hopefully it'll remain safe. Test the StreamPod AI on different media. This is running on the Haiku model, and let's see how it goes. Usually the entry point to the media is the title. So in this case, it just kept the title from the download. So I tried not to change this one, but I have a dummy in order to test other prompts. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the image depicts person like the main character. Yellows, blue, reds, and yellows, reflecting neon lights and illumination in an urban environment. What's the size of this title? Okay, so this is 48.8. What's the name? Tokyo Walk. Any other information I should know? No. Your person. I'm definitely not the author of this. So this is wrong. And then, so the encoding is a success. And this is the URL. Let's see if the URL is correct. The API URL. I need to go to a browser. Let me just move a browser window. Okay. So this is correct. This is the API URL. So maybe in the future, we could do further tasks with these APIs. So that's pretty good. So that's it for that. Let's analyze another title. See if it takes all that white space. Wait. Okay. What's this one about? Done. Oh, interesting. So this is this pattern, which is standard color. It's going to ensure. Okay, so this is useful for technicians. Okay, can you make this JSON and translate it to Japanese? Is that JSON? Formatted JSON. Okay. So, okay, can you format this description without new lines and translate it to Japanese? No, it's not. So see, I got out of the focus of the analysis, so it's not going forward. If you prompt it in other ways, it'll do that. So, okay, I'm done with this prompt. And let's try to analyze the dummy Tokyo Walk title and see what it thinks about it. So let's go back to the home. So I have this title called title serial MP4, similar. So, so this is title zero. Let's see if it still remembers the first title. Anything similar about this title you recognize from before? Done. Do you remember Tokyo Walk MP4? Yes. So now it remembered the new image seems to be related to Tokyo Walk. Likely a woman. This seems to be a preview or a thumbnail image for a video. Accelerant theme and location as so it does relate the title. So okay, so can you format this description in JSON? Great. So now it's doing the JSON description. Again, I didn't author this video, so hopefully the author will be updated at some point. So that's pretty good. Let's see now if I can make a, can you make a haiku about this media, both in Japanese and Spanish? Great. So this is pretty good. Japanese speakers should recognize this, and as a Spanish speaker, this is pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to ask questions in Spanish and see if it responds. So it responded me in English. The response is correct, but it's in English. Can you respond in Spanish? Okay, now it's responding in Spanish. It's Spanish is not too good. This is a made-up word. But it's general pretty good. puedes hacer un poema sobre esto. Elabora un poema y una canción. The tokens for this request may be too much. Let's see. Actually, yes. So see the tokens here are increasing. Here are almost 1,000 tokens for this request. It's still remembering the JSON, but it's generating the poem and the simple song. So this is the StreamPod AI. I hope you've enjoyed this, and hopefully this will be something useful for future workflows. Thank you.